43, we're asked to sketch the graph of each equation. Both of these equations represent parabolas. The first one's not quite in the right form, so we're going to divide each side by 4 and get y squared equals 1/4 x. We're then going to compare that to the equation y squared equals 4px. This will allow us to identify p and therefore find our focus and directrix. Remember, when the equation is written this way, everything is going to be done with respect to x. Our focus will be p0, our directrix will be x equals negative p, and our graph will open left or right, depending upon whether it is positive or negative. Because our equation looks positive, this one will be opening to the right. Now let's set 4px equal to 1/4 x. And this will help us determine p. In order to get p by itself, we'll divide each side by 4x. P is now equal to 1/4 divided by 4, or 1/16. Once we have our p value, we now will know that our focus is 1/16, 0, and our directrix is x equals negative 1/16. On our graph, because 1/16 is so small, I think I'm going to make it 4 blocks to 1 unit, just so that you can really see what's going on. Therefore, 1/16 would be 1/4 of 1 block. At 1/16, 0 will be right here, and our directrix will be at x equals negative 1/16. I'm going to put a vertical dashed line. Now remember, by definition, a parabola is the set of points that are equidistant from the focus and the directrix. Therefore, we know that our parabola has to go through the origin. In this case, because our focus and our directrix are so close together, it kind of tells us that this is going to be a very thin parabola. And there's our graph. It would be nice if you labeled x equals negative 1/16 for your directrix, and also your focus at 1/16, 0.